Have you ever noticed that modern smartphones no longer let you simply pop off the back cover and swap the battery like older phones did? Years ago, carrying an extra battery in your pocket meant you could instantly double your phone's life in seconds. Today, replacing a battery often requires special tools, heat guns, adhesive strips, and sometimes even professional repair services. So what happened? Did manufacturers remove replaceable batteries just to make more money, or is there actually a technical reason behind it? The answer is a mix of engineering, design evolution, consumer demand, and business strategy, and it completely changed the way modern electronics are built. Let's explore, right here, on History of Simple Things. To understand why removable batteries disappeared, we need to go back to the early days of mobile phones. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, nearly every cell phone had a removable back cover and a replaceable battery. Phones were thicker, made mostly of plastic, and designed with simplicity in mind. Models from companies like Nokia, Motorola, and Samsung allowed users to instantly remove dead batteries and install fresh ones. This was extremely useful because battery technology at the time was far less efficient than it is today. Many phones barely lasted a full day, especially during heavy use. Carrying spare batteries became common for travelers, business users, and anyone who relied heavily on mobile communication. Back then, manufacturers also prioritized repairability because consumers expected devices to last longer and be easier to maintain. The shift began when smartphones started evolving into sleek premium devices rather than simple communication tools. In 2007, the release of the Apple iPhone changed the entire industry. Unlike many phones of its era, it used a sealed internal battery. This allowed engineers to build a thinner device with a more rigid frame and fewer removable parts. Consumers loved the cleaner design, and competitors quickly followed. Over time, companies realized that non-removable batteries gave them far more flexibility in how phones could be engineered. One of the biggest reasons removable batteries disappeared is structural strength. A removable battery requires a detachable back panel, clips, and extra internal space for the battery compartment. That weakens the overall frame of the phone. Sealed batteries, on the other hand, can be glued directly into the chassis, which are packed with fragile components such as large displays, multiple cameras, wireless charging coils, and advanced processors. Engineers need every millimeter of space they can get, and removable battery systems take up valuable room. Water resistance is another major reason. Modern flagship phones are expected to survive rain, spills, and even full submersion in water. Achieving certifications like IP67 or IP68 requires extremely tight seals around every opening. A removable back cover creates a huge challenge because it introduces another entry point for dust and water. By permanently sealing the device, manufacturers can create stronger waterproof barriers using adhesives and gaskets. This became especially important as phones turned into expensive all-in-one devices that people carry everywhere. Battery technology itself also changed. Early phones used batteries that degraded quickly and offered limited capacity, making replacement more necessary. Today's lithium-ion batteries are far more energy-dense and efficient. Combined with fast charging technology, users no longer need to swap batteries as often. Instead of carrying a spare battery, most people simply plug in for 15 or 20 minutes and gain hours of power. Companies realized that consumers valued fast charging and thin designs more than removable batteries. Another reason is aesthetics. Consumers began demanding phones that looked more premium and futuristic. Metal frames and glass backs became symbols of high-end design. But removable backs are difficult to implement with glass and metal construction. Plastic covers can flex and snap into place easily, but glass cannot. A sealed design allows manufacturers to use stronger materials while maintaining a smooth and elegant appearance. Devices began feeling more like luxury products rather than simple tools. There is also the issue of safety. Lithium-ion batteries can become dangerous if punctured, bent, or exposed to poor-quality third-party replacements. Sealed batteries reduce the chances of users damaging batteries accidentally or installing counterfeit replacements that could overheat or catch fire. After incidents involving defective batteries in some smartphones, manufacturers became even more cautious about battery design and control. Of course, many critics argue that business strategy also played a major role. Non-removable batteries make devices harder and more expensive to repair. Over time, as batteries degrade naturally, many users choose to buy entirely new phones instead of replacing old batteries. This can increase device sales and encourage faster upgrade cycles. Repair advocates and right-to-repair movements have heavily criticized this trend, arguing that consumers should have easier access to battery replacement options. So why can't users easily remove and replace cell phone batteries anymore? It comes down to a combination of thinner design, stronger construction, waterproofing, modern materials, faster charging technology, safety concerns, and business decisions. Manufacturers traded convenience for performance and aesthetics, and most consumers accepted the compromise because modern smartphones offer so many other advantages. Still, for many people who remember the days of carrying a spare battery in their pocket, the removable battery remains one of the most missed features in mobile technology history. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.